What is up, guys? My name is Brandon, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my desk setup.
Alright, hopefully y'all liked that intro because I had a blast making it, but anyways, let's get into the video. So, starting at the bottom, we've got 3 IKEA Alex drawers with 2 47-inch IKEA Linmon tabletops. I decided to go with the gray Alex drawers and black-brown tabletop because it just looks really good with my black and silver accessories. Now, of course, if you wanted to recreate this setup, you could just do it with 1 tabletop and 2 drawers, but I do like having a longer desk, so one side can be for productivity and gaming, and on the other side I can work on projects and things like that. Moving over to the left is the beast behind my whole setup, the $850 Dell Inspiron gaming desktop computer. Luckily, I got this thing for only $650 during a back-to-school savings event at Office Max, which is an amazing deal. This computer runs like a beast, especially when it comes to gaming. It can get up to 100 FPS on epic settings when playing Fortnite. I'm not going to go into the full details in this video, but if you do want a more in-depth review, hit the card on screen about right here, and you can see my full review on that computer. Another reason I got this PC was because it fit perfectly with my setup color scheme, black, silver, and a hint of blue. Matching the PC perfectly is the Nubwo N11 gaming headset. For only $25, my only complaint is that it is a freaking huge headset. It doesn't blow anything out of the water in terms of sound quality, and the mic is a little quiet, but it's what you'd expect for the price. The N11 headset is sitting atop one of my favorite desk accessories, the all-aluminum headphone stand by Archier. This thing is cheap, high quality, and looks awesome. Next up, we've got 2 Acer SB22 monitors, which cost about $90 on Amazon. These things are crazy good for the price. They are extremely slim, have tons of settings to play around with, and they have very slim bezels. I actually bought one, but it didn't come with the piece that connects the base to the monitor, so Amazon sent me a replacement monitor. Since I have a 3D printer, I figured I would make a model of the part and print it so I could have 2 monitors, and it actually worked, with the help of lots of glue at least. Every setup needs a phone stand, and this one by OMotion is very high quality and comes in at only $9. Moving to the right, we've got a Bluetooth speaker by Anker. I currently have the 2nd edition speaker in the Soundcore lineup, and it definitely does not disappoint. It has very punchy bass, but not overpowering, great sound quality, and gets super loud. Although this thing is a beast for the price, I would recommend getting dedicated speakers if you don't use headphones very much. Speaking about loudspeakers, the next thing on my list is a mechanical keyboard by Ecotec, and this thing is loud. This keyboard, although cheap, is built like a tank. It's got a plastic frame with an aluminum plate screwed onto the front, giving it a cool metallic vibe. Although it only has blue backlighting, you can spend $10 more and get the multicolor version, which gives you more settings and effects. Everyone's got to have a mouse, and mine is nothing special and definitely cheap and pretty low quality, but it works, so I use it. Link in the description if you want to buy it, along with everything else that I've talked about in this video. Alright guys, only 2 items left, and then I promise it will be over. Next up, we've got an extended mousepad by K-Trio. It's a 31.5 inch by 11.8 inch extended mousepad with braided edges, and despite the price of $8, it works great and I've had no problems with it. Alright ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for the final item, a Cylindrical Rgb desk lamp by Aki. This thing is super cool because it has a touch sensitive base which allows you to change its color. If you tap it, the standard white light turns on, and there are 3 different brightness settings for that, but personally I think the white light is too harsh, so I prefer the RGB mode, which you can activate by holding the base for 3 seconds. The lamp will fade through all the colors, and if you tap the base it will freeze and display the current color. Well guys, that's my budget desk setup. If you did enjoy this video, I would really appreciate it if you would hit that like button for me, and also consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed to my channel, because I am going to be trying to post more videos more frequently, and I do have some interesting ideas for gaming videos as well in the works. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.